Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how we can enable comments on YouTube in 2021. So before continue, don't forget to subscribe the channel. We can change the comment settings of our videos with different methods. Let's try first one. Just click at the icon of your channel at the top left corner and then click on YouTube Studio. For all of your videos, click at the Content tab. We can change the settings of our single video or in bulk by selecting the videos.